Okay, in Scitech they actually have a MakerBot. And this is a MakerBot replicated 2 times. Which, from what I can understand, is a 2-colour unit. It's a 3D printer. And this one's actually in the process of making something. So this is the replicator from the above. This is doing the X and Y axis. I'm not really sure what it's producing at the moment. But the plastic is coming in via these 2 plastic tubes. Orange on the right by the looks of it, and white on the left. A bit hard to tell at this stage. This is the print head, it's doing the X and Y axis, and the table does the Z axis, which is vertically up and down. So this is a 3D printer at work. Scitech, City West, Perth. Come back in over where the missing window is. Now this is just some things that can be made using the MakerBot. That blue plastic on a roll and the brown plastic on a roll, that's what's being fed through the white plastic straws. Which are up here. And there's another pair of 3D printers up here to the right. Let's have a look.
That is the 2.0, that's the one.
That one there is completed. That's what's made using the extrusion. That table's at the lowest point. And there's the other MakerBot. It's another replicator. It's the version 1 kit form. If we look at this from the back, this is where all the filament's coming from. Coming off this roll, it goes up, through the pipe, and down into the head. The print head is up in here. So there you go.